Hello again. Today we're going to read Fly Guy Presents Space. So we're going to learn about space today. Isn't that cool? Hey, take me to your leader. I am an alien. Okay, let's get started. Hey, look at Fly Guy. He's an astronaut. Fly astronaut. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Rocket Dude. One day, Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Space Museum. I want to fly in space when I grow up, said Buzz. Space? Yeah, said Buzz. We can learn all about space right here. Space Museum. Look, there's Saturn right over there. And also, did you know that other planets are like Earth? That is very true. Our universe is so big that scientists do not know its exact size. Look at it. So many stars. Did you know that stars are actually suns, but they're farther away, so that's why it looks like they're so tiny. And since our sun is near than the rest of the stars, or should I say suns, so that's what it makes it bigger. Space means everything in the universe. The universe is made up of planets, stars, suns, and moons, and much, much more. And also, space does not have oxygen, so you'll need to wear a space suit so you can breathe. Our house, yeah, that's where we live. We're the third planet from the sun. Mercury is so hot. Look, because it's near. And also, Neptune is so cold because it's far away. It's the 8th planet. Wait, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I was correct. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, where we live, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and maybe even Pluto. And also, did you know that in Mars, space robots are visiting there and putting oxygen in there, but there is not so much oxygen so we can breathe. This spaceship went all the way out past Neptune. Can't you believe that? It went past there and then went farther away. Voyager 2, that's the name of the spaceship. Moons orbit or travel around planets. Earth has one moon. This is our moon. Earth and its moon. They're buddies. Ooh, this is the surface of the moon. Look, there's so many craters. Do you know how they formed? I'll give you a second to think. Or you can pause it. I'm going to give out the answer right now. It's because the asteroids did it. Jupiter has 50 moons or more. Many moons. Some Jupiter's moons. Ooh, look. This one. What? This one's my favorite. This one. There are at least 146 moons in our solar system. Can't you believe that? That is a lot. Look, Saturn. Oh, look, half. I think that's Earth. Wait. Yeah, I think that's Earth. The sun is the biggest object in our solar system. It is 109 times wider than Earth. Wow. The sun's gravity pulls the planets like a giant magnet. Cool, right? And also in space, the sun is like a magnet. The sun is the center of our solar system. All objects orbit around the sun because it has gravity. Gravity attracts objects to one another. And also, do you know why you don't feel like you're spinning when the Earth is actually spinning around the sun? It's because it's spinning very slowly, so that's why it takes 24 hours to do a whole orbit. What happened to him? Look. Oh, look. There's a lot of orange and dots. The sun is a star. Stars are huge balls of burning gas. So if you touch the sun, you'll melt right away or even die. So don't get so close to the sun. Stars only look small because they are so far away. Told you that. The sun is the closest star to Earth. It is 93 million miles away. That's a lot. Stars are not star-shaped. They are really gigantic balls. You see? And look, compare this to this. Oh, look, why did I made a star? There are many other objects in our solar system. Meteoroids are small rocks. When they fall toward Earth, they are called meteors. Oh, look, shooting star is really a meteor. Look, this is a close-up. It's kind of golden because the sun is like in its way or something. And look how fast this is going. Look, it makes a tail. That's what they're called when they leave a mark. Comet. That's a comet. Comets are large pieces of rock, dust, and ice that orbit the sun. Comets are called dirty snowballs. Oh, look, this is an asteroid. Asteroid belt. Look, this is the asteroid belt. It's like a belt, but it has many asteroids in it. Asteroids are made up of rocks and metal. An asteroid belt is made up of lots of asteroids, like thousands and thousands. Look, these are astronauts. Girl, boy, 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 and girl. Astronauts are people who travel into space to find out more about it. Astronauts call zero-gravity flights vomit comets. Zero-gravity flight. Look at them. They're upside down. There is no gravity or oxygen in space. Astronauts go on zero-gravity flights to learn how it feels to move without gravity. These rides are like very fast roller coasters, so maybe you'll get sick or even barf or puke. Oh, look. That's a real-life spaceship. And look at all the fire. It's making tails again. Look, this is the light, helmet, glove, temperature control valve, safety tether, protection layer, and that's all. Look. And no one inside it, I think. Astronauts wear special clothes to keep them safe. Spacesuits keep astronauts warm or cool and let them breathe. Look, astronaut Buzz Aldrin walking on the moon. That's what his name is, Buzz. Cool. You need your own helmet, Fly Guy. Look. Try on a real space helmet. A A spacecraft is a vehicle that travels in space. There are many different types of spacecraft. Look at Fly Guy. I think he's in a rocket or a spacecraft. A space capsule is carried into space by a rocket. Some return to Earth by splashing down in water. Look, capsule landing. Parachutes and it's landing on the ocean. Splashdown landing. Look, astronauts. A space shuttle also blasts off using rockets. When it returns to Earth, it lands on a runway like an airplane. Rocket boosters. Look, this is a rocket booster. Cool, right? Astronauts can live on space stations. A space station can be as long and wide as a football field. Wow. So if you see football, then like the whole field, listen and if you're lucky, you'll be able to find out how many inches or feet is a football field. That'll be a cool experiment. Astronauts have done amazing things. The first person in space in 1961. The first American to orbit Earth, 1962. So this happened 1 year. Happened 1 year ago before, after this. Yuri Gagarin. John Glenn. The first astronaut to walk on the moon. The Eagle has landed. The first word said on the moon. The Eagle has landed. Neil Armstrong. The first teachers to be part of the Teacher in Space program. Babarin Morgan and Krista McAuliffe. Look, the first woman to command a U.S. space shuttle. Eileen, I think, Collins. Look at Fly Guy and Buzz. Animals were sent into space before humans. Spurs first in space. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. Alright, enough monkeying around. The first creature in space were fruit flies. 1942. Albert II became the first monkey in space. Look at him, he's smiling. 1949. A dog named Laika became the first animal to orbit Earth. It's in 1957. A scientist can learn all about space through a telescope. A telescope is a tool that uses lenses and mirrors to make faraway objects look nearer. A Hubble space telescope as big as a school bus. Look. That is so big. There is still a lot to be learned about space. Earth is the only planet scientists know of all has living things on it. But scientists think there could be other life in the universe. Mars rovers are robots that explore Mars. Scientists are studying if there was ever water on Mars. If there was water there might have been life. Take me to your leader. Aliens! When Buzz got home, he made his very own asteroid belt. Look, Fly Guy, I made it out of rocks and metal. We learned a lot about space today. Buzz said, I can't wait for our next field trip. The end. I hope you like this space book about Fly Guy learning all about space. including Buzz. Goodbye. Buzz you later.